Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find day 4 of the little splash whale. Today's color is yellow. So as you can see, there is a yellow whale here, and it is right here on the map, like where the yellow thing is. It is like near like Massimo as well, like near the camp. It's not far from it. This is where the camp is, and this is where the whale is. I'm on my iPad, so it's a little bit difficult to navigate. Get the camera out and let's take a picture. Okay, sorry. There we go. And then don't forget to press on the whale here. And the bubble isn't very far off. It is near the cleaning station here. And as you can see, there's the bubble up here. So I'm just going to tap the bubble as well. There it is. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!